Traders, Zelman here. August 14th, the market's closed. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site for upcoming live courses at thetradingteacher.com. I'm going to report on ticker symbol NBDR, No Borders Inc. Been providing updates on this stock as well. If you notice the trend lines over here at the bottom, and I'm showing you this uptrend, I stated this should be your buy point just around or above this uptrend. Hit it today, as you can see, it's about 5 cents, maybe 5.5 or so. This is its trend. It looks like it's going to try to trade up. If it stays above this trend, it's going to try to trade up like this, and hopefully she'll break through, but if not, we might see a double bounce. My main goal is to stay above this trend line. It does that, the stock is very healthy. So again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.